You might have seen that we've talked a lot about luxurious stuff in our previous videos. We've shown you amazing places to travel, stunning fashion, and even luxurious homes that got tons of views. But have you ever wondered what it really takes to make money from those fancy videos on YouTube? Well, today, we're going to find out. And it's not just about luxury. We'll also talk about how people in different topics can make money too. So, whether you're into fancy things or not, you're going to learn something cool today. Understanding how YouTubers earn money is a bit like solving a puzzle. It's not just about how many people watch your videos, but also about where they're from, what kind of videos they like, and how long your videos are. Let's unpack this puzzle together. Imagine you're a YouTuber, and you've just uploaded a new video. You might be wondering, how much money will I make from this? Well, it's not as simple as getting paid a certain amount for every view. Instead, YouTubers make money through a combination of ad revenue, sponsorships, and other income streams. One of the key metrics to understand is RPM, which stands for revenue per mil, or how much money you make for every 1,000 views on your videos. RPM takes into account all the different ways YouTubers can earn money, including ads, channel memberships, and YouTube Premium revenue. It's like looking at the bigger picture of your earnings. On the other hand, there's CPM, which stands for cost per mil, or how much advertisers pay for 1,000 views of their ads. This metric is more focused on the advertisers' sides of things. It tells us how much advertisers are willing to spend to get their message in front of viewers. Now, let's look at what makes YouTubers earn different amounts of money. 1. Location and demographics. Where your viewers live can really change how much money you earn. Advertisers are ready to pay more to show their ads to people in certain places, especially where people have more money to spend. For instance, if your viewers are in big cities like New York or London, advertisers might pay more to reach them compared to people in smaller towns. 2. Video length. The length of your videos matters when it comes to earning money. If your videos are longer, you can include more advertisements, which gives you more opportunities to make money. However, it's crucial to find the right balance. While longer videos can potentially earn more, if they are too lengthy, viewers might become disinterested and click away from your content. So, it's essential to keep your audience engaged while also maximizing your revenue potential by strategically placing ads throughout your video. 3. Niche and content type. The kind of content you make can really affect how much money you can make. Certain topics like finance or technology usually get more money from ads because companies are willing to pay more to reach those audiences. But if you're making videos about things like gaming or daily life, you might not make as much because those audiences might not spend as much money. It's all about what advertisers think they can sell to the people watching your videos. So, if you want to earn more money, you might want to think about making content that attracts advertisers who are willing to pay more to reach your audience. Let's take a closer look at real-life situations to understand how much money YouTubers make in different types of videos. Lifestyle channel. These channels often cast a wide net to appeal to diverse audiences, but their RPMs may not match those of more specialized content. Their broad appeal can attract advertisers looking to reach a general audience, albeit at potentially lower rates compared to niche-focused channels. Sports channel. RPMs in sports channels can vary widely, influenced by factors such as the demographics of the audience and the specific content being produced. Channels catering to niche sports or specific fan bases might command higher RPMs due to the targeted nature of their viewership. Gaming channel. While some gaming channels boast impressive RPMs, others may struggle to monetize effectively. Success in this niche often depends on factors like audience engagement, the type of games covered, and the creator's ability to build a loyal following. Finance channel. Finance-focused channels tend to enjoy higher RPMs, given the valuable audience interested in financial products and services. Advertisers targeting this demographic are willing to pay a premium to reach potential customers, resulting in comparatively higher revenue for creators in this niche. These examples highlight the nuanced dynamics of RPMs across various content categories. Understanding these intricacies can empower creators to tailor their content strategies to maximize revenue potential within their chosen niche, whether through niche specialization, audience engagement tactics, or content optimization techniques. So, how can YouTubers maximize their earnings beyond ads? Number 1. Have different ways to make money. Don't just rely on ads to earn money. Successful YouTubers make money in other ways too, like selling things, teaching online courses, or working with companies. 2. Connect with your fans. It's important to build a good relationship with your viewers. When they feel connected to you, they might support you more by joining your channel as members or giving you donations. Number 3. Work with brands. Sometimes, companies will pay you to talk about their products in your videos. This can be a good way to make money, but make sure it fits with what you're all about and what your fans like. Here's a quick trivia before we end. Did you know that YouTube was founded by 3 former PayPal employees, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jod Karim, in February 2005? The idea for YouTube came about when they had difficulty sharing videos taken at a dinner party. Alright, while RPM and CPM are important metrics for understanding how YouTubers earn money, they're just a part of the equation. To maximize your earnings and build a sustainable career on YouTube, it's essential to diversify your income streams, engage with your audience, and explore opportunities for collaboration with brands. By taking a holistic approach to monetization, YouTubers can unlock their full earning potential and create lasting success on the platform. Thanks for tuning in to today's video on World of Luxury. We hope you enjoyed learning about making money on YouTube. Now, before you go, we'd love to hear from you. What luxury topics do you enjoy watching the most? And what other topics would you like us to explore? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback means the world to us. And let's keep the conversation going. What other interests do you have? Whether it's cooking or home decor, we're all ears. Your ideas help us create better content for you. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload from World of Luxury. Let's continue this journey together. See you in the next video.